Reclaim your voice from the grip of narcissistic gaslighting. Track tucked. Finding your voice again. There comes a point in life when you realize your voice, the essence of who you are, has been stifled. You've doubted yourself, questioned your memories, and even wondered if your feelings were valid. This painful erosion of self often comes from something insidious. It's narcissistic gaslighting. Gaslighting is more than manipulation. It's a calculated distortion of your reality, a tactic designed to keep you under control. When coupled with narcissism, it becomes deeply damaging your trust in yourself and silencing your truth. This message is for you, the adult who has carried silent doubts for far too long. You are not broken. You are not weak. You are awakening to the truth. Together, let us explore how narcissistic gaslighting takes hold, why it affects even the strongest of us, and most importantly, how you can reclaim your voice and rebuild your life. Understanding narcissistic gaslighting. Term gaslighting comes from the 1944 film Gaslight, where a husband manipulates his wife into doubting her sanity. Narcissists use the same strategy, not for love, but for control. They twist facts, deny realities, and make you feel too sensitive or crazy for questioning them. Common gaslighting phrases include, "That never happened," "You're imagining things," "You're too emotional," "Everyone agrees with me," "Not you." Over time, this repetition erodes your confidence and forces you to second-guess your own truth. The deepest wound of gaslighting is not the lies, it's the loss of trust in yourself. And when you no longer trust your own perception, you stop speaking up. That silence is exactly what the narcissist craves. Why strong adults become victims? You've been gaslighted. It doesn't mean you are weak. In fact, narcissists often target strong, compassionate people, those with deep empathy, loyalty, and resilience. Your openness and willingness to understand others make you vulnerable, not because you lack strength, but because you have it. Gaslighting works best in close relationships. If a stranger questioned your reality, you'd dismiss it. But when the words come from a spouse, partner, parent, or close colleague, you hesitate. You want to preserve the relationship, so you begin questioning yourself instead. That's how intelligent, capable adults lose their voices in the grip of narcissistic manipulation. How gaslighting affects the mind. Gaslighting creates a psychological state called cognitive dissonance, the clash between what you know is true and what you're told is true. This tension is exhausting. To ease it, your brain often accepts the narcissist's version of reality. That's when the cycle begins. Confusion. You sense something is wrong, but they deny it. Self-doubt. You begin to wonder if you misremembered dependence. You rely on the narcissist to define reality. Silencing. You stop expressing yourself. Loss of identity. You forget the sound of your own voice. Gaslighting keeps you trapped in survival mode, anxious, cautious, and desperate for approval. But the truth is this: your voice is not gone. It is waiting for you to reclaim it. Signs you're being gaslighted. Ask yourself, do I often second-guess myself? Do I apologize excessively? Do I feel confused after conversations? Do I stay silent to avoid conflict? Do I feel like I'm walking on eggshells? Do I no longer recognize the confident person I once was? If these resonate, you may be experiencing gaslighting. Awareness is the first step toward freedom. Steps to reclaim your voice. Healing. It's not about quick fixes. It's about rebuilding trust in yourself. Here are practical steps you can take at home. 1. Name the abuse. Recognize it for what it is. Say it out loud. This is gaslighting. I am not imagining it. Naming the abuse takes away some of its power. Point 2. Keep a journal. Gaslighters rewrite history. Document conversations and experiences. Your journal becomes proof that your memory and feelings are real. 3. Rebuild self-trust through small choices. Cook the meal you like. Choose the outfit that makes you feel good. Say no when you mean no. Every choice reaffirms your independence. 4. Set boundaries. Boundaries protect your voice. Practice saying, I will not continue this conversation if my feelings are dismissed. Boundaries are about respecting yourself. 5. Seek supports around yourself with people who affirm your reality, trusted friends, therapists, or support groups. Their validation helps restore your confidence. 6. Ground yourself in the present when confusion strikes. Use grounding techniques. Breathe deeply. Touch something solid. Say, I know what I felt. I trust myself. 7. Release the need for their approval. Your healing does not depend on the narcissist acknowledging your truth. It depends on you acknowledging it. Daily practices for healing at home. Healing happens in daily rituals. Affirmations each morning. Say, my feelings are valid. My voice matters. Journaling. Write freely to reconnect with your thoughts. Voice exercises. Read aloud, sing, or speak affirmations. Your literal voice strengthens your symbolic one. Declutter. Remove objects tied to toxic memories. Celebrate decisions. Every choice you make independently is a victory. These practices retrain your mind to trust yourself. Again, healing the spirit gaslighting doesn't just wound the mind, it dims the spirit. Many survivors describe feeling hollow. To heal, you must reconnect with your inner light. Whether through meditation, prayer, nature, or creativity, find what renews you. That spark within the one no narcissist can extinguish will guide you home life. Beyond gaslighting, freedom may begin with a whisper, laughing without fear, making a choice without second-guessing, or speaking a truth without apology. These are signs that your voice is returning. Life after narcissistic gaslighting is not about bitterness, it's about clarity. You will see people as they are. You will trust your instincts again. Most importantly, you will understand that your voice was always worthy of being heard by reclaiming it. You not only heal yourself, you inspire others to do the same. Conclusion. Your voice matters. If you've lived under narcissistic gaslighting, remember, your silence was never weakness. Your doubt was never failure. Your voice was never lost, has been waiting for you. Healing begins with believing yourself. It grows with courage, and it flourishes when you finally choose to speak again. Your voice matters. It always has. A call to action if these words spoke to you. I invite you to join us at Awaken Mindset. Here we share insights to help you heal, grow, and rediscover your strength. Subscribe, share this message, and let's continue walking this journey together. Because your voice deserves to rise again. This community is here to remind you that you are never alone.